I failed, I'm a loser, I suck. All these like different little things that we beat ourselves up about when we're thinking about making content on YouTube, man. I gotta tell you, because it's like people are more inclined, they want to get to know you. You feel what I'm saying? Like they want to know your personality, they want to know what you're about. Reality TV is huge right now. I personally don't necessarily like reality TV, and I don't watch much reality TV, but we're our biggest critics, right? I was just watching the homie PewDiePie and Alpha Gaming, and they kind of reintroduced me to some stuff that you quickly and easily lose touch with, and I want to share that stuff with you. People who say like I don't want to do it because I don't have like the best equipment, and then I watch PewDiePie's video and the homie says, hey, listen, you don't really need nothing. You could record with a bootleg like recording device and a regular webcam, and you're good money to start recording. Because reality TV is huge, because people feel like they're getting like a behind the scenes sort of look. Although I personally feel like reality TV has gone like into high production value now. Like there's a lot of production behind this reality TV, so it doesn't seem authentic to me anymore. I don't know about you guys, but YouTube is definitely a platform where you could kind of get, I'm a one-man team. There's no production value behind this. I'm not even, all I do is hit record. I don't even like edit. I barely edit anymore. Although I may do some cuts here and there, I barely edit anymore. And I think that's what people like, because they kind of get that behind the scenes look. You know what I mean? Like that raw authenticity, because there's nobody saying cut and reconfiguring the whole scene to kind of work in the productions or the producer's favor. There's none of that here on YouTube. So if you guys are self-conscious about anything on YouTube, if you guys are out there, you're like, I don't know how to start, I don't know where to start, all you need to do is hit record, Coachy. That's all you need to do. I'm Puerto Rican from New York City. Nobody would have thought, at least that I grew up with, that I'd be here on this platform, doing my thing, trying to record videos, getting connected with people all across the world. Another beautiful thing about YouTube is that although you guys think like, damn, when you're like profiling, a lot of people do this. You profile your fan base or you profile your viewers and think that this particular, so you make content for the person that you're profiling. Like, this is my viewer, this type of person, or, tie, shirt and tie, button down, sports jacket. And you're mistaken, because you don't know who's going to take in your content. There's people all across the world that could take in your content. So let go of the pressure. Don't even attempt to profile who may like you. How about you just like yourself, make content, and allow people to receive you, man? Because you don't know how people receive you. People may like just your accent. You got to understand that there's people that just may be attracted to your accent. You don't know who's out there. You don't know how they're going to receive your content. So just put it out there for the world to see, and see how the world receives you. I hope you guys found this video helpful and or informative. In 2021, we're finna be strong in mind, body, and spirit. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, because we're about to have a ton of content in 2021. Catch you guys on the next video. Easy, y'all.